Welcome to oral learning class 10th. Today we are going to discuss about our non-detail, a tiger in the house. Before reading the text, we have to think about whether a tiger entered in a house or someone pets a tiger. Whether a tiger entered in a house and spoil all the things or pets a tiger in the house. Generally, there has been existing a close and intimate relationship between human being and animal since time immemorial. There is intimate relationship between human beings as well as animal. We have seen animals and birds who have shown the behaviors like human beings. We can see some animals and birds have shown their behavior like human beings. Animals could share their happiness, share their unhappiness with the human beings. So as man has emotions, so as the animals. Animals could understand the human emotions. If we see the positive sense of view, aesthetic sense of view, animals have the pleasure and pain. The story narrates how the tiger cub Timothy was discovered, the affection between the grandmother and him, how he was reared up, and how it becomes a dangerous tiger and forced to transport to the cage. Let us touch our text. Timothy the tiger cub. Timothy was a tiger cub, a young tiger, was discovered by grandfather. Who discovered Timothy? Grandfather. Where on a hunting expedition. Expedition means trip. They were going to hunting trip in the Terai jungle near Dehra. So in that hunting expedition, who was discovered? The tiger cub Timothy was discovered. Who discovered? The grandfather discovered. Grandfather was no shikari, but as he knew the forest of the Shivalik hills better than most people, he was requested to accompany the party. Grandfather was not a hunter, no shikari. Grandfather was no shikari. But as he knew, as the grandfather knew, grandfather knew the forest of the Shivalik hills better than the other people, most of the people of that trip. So he was requested, the grandfather was requested to accompany the party. Accompany means go with. To join the party. Who joined? The grandfather joined. Not willingly, he was requested to accompany the party. It consisted, the trip, it means the expedition, the hunting expedition consisted of several very important persons, VIPs, from Delhi to advise on the land, and the direction the beaters should take once a tiger had been spotted. It consisted of several very important persons. The hunting trip consisted several VIPs from Delhi to advise on the land, that forest, the Shivalik hills, and the direction, to direct how to, where to go, what to find, how to find, the direction the beaters should take once a tiger had been spotted. Spotted means noticed, identified. Once a tiger had been identified. So the camp itself was sumptuous. Sumptuous means very impressive. Sumptuous, very impressive, very splendid. So the camp itself was sumptuous. 7 large tents, each for one shikari, one for each shikari. One tent for each shikari. A dining tent. A number of servants' tents are there, highly arranged. The dinner was very good. As grandfather, the dinner was very good. As grandfather admitted afterwards, it was, grandfather admitted means the grandfather joined. The grandfather admitted afterwards, it was not often one saw hot water plates, finger glasses. What are there? What are arranged? Hot water plates, finger glasses, 7 or 8 courses. Courses, 7 or 8 courses means 7 or 8 times of food has been reached to each one in a tent in the jungle. How can we say the camp itself was sumptuous? 7 large tents, each one for each shikari, hunter. A dining tent, number of servants' tents was arranged. It was not often one saw hot water plates, finger glasses, 7 or 8 courses, 7 or 8 times, 7 and 8 times of food had been reached in a tent in the jungle. But that was how things were done in the days of viceroys. That was the arrangement of the time of the period of viceroys. There were also some 15 elephants. 4 of them with howdahs for the shikari. Here, howdahs means a seat for riding. Back of the elephant, back of the camel, that is called howdahs. For each shikari, for a seat to be seated. And others, out of the 15 elephants, others especially trained for taking part in the bit. Others are specially trained up. Other elephants were specially trained up taking part in the bit for the hunt, the trip. The sportsman never saw a tiger. The sportsman never saw a tiger, nor did they shoot anything else. The sportsmen never saw a tiger, nor did they shoot anything else, though they saw a number of deer, peacocks, wild boar. What did they see? They saw, the sportsmen saw number of deer, peacocks, wild boar, but the sportsmen never saw a tiger, nor did they shoot anything else, because they have lost hope to find the tiger. They were giving up. Giving up means losing all the hopes. They were giving up all the hope. They were giving up all the hope of finding a tiger, and were beginning to shoot at jackals. Losing hope, being lost, they hope to find the tiger. They were beginning to shoot at jackals. When grandfather strolling down the forest path, coming down the forest path, at some distance from the rest of the party, discovered a little tiger. When the grandfather strolling down the forest path, at some distance was rested, the tiger was rested. At the time, grandfather discovered the tiger cub 18 inches long, hidden among the intricate roots. Hidden among the intricate means having a lot of different parts. And small details that fit together, having a lot of complexities, having a lot of different parts. So, hidden among the intricate roots of the banyan tree. Grandfather picked him up. Grandfather picked the tiger cub and brought him home after the camp had broken up. He had the distinction. Here distinction means fame. Distinction means good name, fame. So he had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged, to have caught any game dead or alive. Let us discuss the comparison. Who was Timothy? Where was he discovered? Timothy was a tiger cub. It was discovered by the writer's grandfather when he was strolling the forest path at some distance in the hunting trip. Timothy was a tiger cub. It was discovered by the grandfather when the grandfather was strolling at the forest path at a distance of that hunting trip near Dehra. Second, why did grandfather accompany the party? Grandfather accompanied the party because he knew the forest of the Shivalik Hills better than most people. Third one, the writer says that the camp was very splendid, sumptuous. Why? Because it consisted of 7 large tents, one for each shikari, a dining tent, a number of servants' tents. So more delicious food had been served there. So it was sumptuous or splendid. Who discovered Timothy and when? The writer's grandfather discovered Timothy when the grandfather was strolling down the forest path at some distance. It was hidden on the intricate roots of the banyan tree. Next, do you think grandfather was very bold? Yes, I think grandfather was very bold because he could dare to accompany the hunting trip. He could dare. He showed his bravery to accompany the party. What kind of special quality did grandfather have? He was adventurous, courageous by nature. Without hesitation, he accompanied the party. He had a good name to catch any game dead or alive. Do you think grandfather will pet a tiger cub at home? it is your thinking, you have to write. So you have to study the scene 1 of tiger in the house and understand the scene 1 of this lesson, and all the difficult words, single words will be sent to you. Bande Mataram.